This Pinterest account only has 1.3 thousand followers, but 1.8 million monthly views. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find viral pins so that you can earn daily commissions by promoting products. You don't need millions of followers. You can do this even as a complete beginner. So let's not waste any more time and dive in. Now, before we actually start using Pinterest to get free traffic to your affiliate links, you need to find the right niche to get into. And the way that I actually found this pin idea is by going over to trends.pinterest.com, this website right here. On this website, I can actually research different keywords. So you can search for a keyword over here. Maybe you follow some trending products on Tech Talk or on Amazon, or you just had an idea of something. So let's say, for example, you're really into snowboarding. You can now start typing over here and it's going to show you all of these different keywords. And on the right hand side, it's going to show you how trending that is right now. So we can see that snowboarding isn't a good idea as of right now. So I just kept searching for different things. And so when I started typing spring, because spring season just started, and then I saw this keyword, spring outfits, actually starts booming right now. There's a lot of people searching for it on Pinterest. Now, to research my idea further, I just went back to Pinterest and I just researched for spring outfits. And then we can see all of these different pins and whether they are getting any traffic or not. So we can see that this pin over here is posted by Female Fashion and they have just about 1K followers, but they are getting 1.8 million monthly views. So an account like this could be easily making at least $5,000 a month. And I want to show you how you can legally copy and paste someone else's images, post it on your Pinterest account like this, and make money from it. Grow a Pinterest account from scratch and also monetize it in different ways so that you don't actually need a camera. Now, first things first, every Pinterest account, including this one over here, has a banner, the name, and then the bio of account that represents what the account is about. And you also want to stick to only one particular niche. So that's why you want to use the trends on Pinterest to see which niche is going to be good and then just dive straight into that one. And don't get your focus divided into all of these different niches. Now we are going to create a banner. Let's go over to canva.com, which is a free graphic design tool. And if you search for banners, let me type banner, or even for Pinterest banners, we can type in Pinterest banner. You can find a lot of different templates to choose from. And this is honestly kind of like a fun part because now you can just go through the different templates and find something you like. Let's say I'm choosing this one. I'm going to click on customize this template and now I can fully change it. So I can change this text. Maybe I don't want this text. And I'm going to call my page AMS Outfits. I just want to add a headline over here that represents exactly what my page is actually about. And you can fully customize the fonts, the colors, delete everything if you don't like it. Then this entire template is fully customizable. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to leave this as is. On the left side, you can search, for example, spring outfits, click on photos. Maybe you want to change some of the default photos, so you can do that. As of right now, I'm just going to leave this as is. Now we want to download this banner, so click on share, click download, and download one more time. And it's been downloaded to our computer. Now we can also generate a logo with Canva by simply typing a logo design, and we can find all sorts of different suggested templates and then just pick whatever you prefer and customize it. So I'm choosing this one, just click on this, add this new page, and we can now change this text to our name. Let's call it AMC Outfits and delete this over here, and this is how the logo is going to look like. Pretty simple. I'm going to download it to my computer by selecting again share, download, and download. And now I have a logo and I also have a banner. You will simply go over to your Pinterest profile. You will click on edit profile. You will change the profile picture. In this case, I'm just going to add the logo which I generated with Canva. Then I'm going to change the name. I already did some changes. So in the name itself, you want to make sure that you do have the keyword that you are trying to rank for. So in this case, I'm going to call my store AMS Outfits, but I'm also going to add spring outfits or whatever the keyword is trending right now. And then for the about section, let's just quickly head over to ChatGPT, and I will just simply ask ChatGPT to write me a 200 characters bio for my Pinterest account in the spring outfits niche. Then it's done. Click on copy, go back to your Pinterest account and paste your about section over here. We can also add the banner we downloaded from Canva. So let's just do that. Click on done. And this is how my profile looks like. So we can start making money with affiliate marketing. To find content for your Pinterest account, you can simply go over to TikTok and find an influencer that is already posting in that niche. For example, spring outfits niche. So here's one Pinterest account that is just re-uploading TikToks and getting hundreds of thousands of views every month. And as you can see, they just credited their TikTok user in the description of this post. They are literally just re-uploading TikToks so they attract all of these people interested in clothing so that they can promote something on their page. This is a great TikTok that I found that has over 1 million views and over 100,000 likes. What we can do is we can copy the link of this by clicking here and head over to a page called snaptik.app, a free website where we can download TikToks to your computer for free with no watermarks. So just paste your link over here, click on download and download once again. Just downloaded our TikTok, and then let's go back to my Pinterest account. You want to click here, create a pin and upload that TikTok we just downloaded. You want to add a title. You want to add what the pin is about. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a description for your pins, but most importantly, don't forget to credit the person from whom you actually got a post. So in this case, I'm just going to copy the username. Let's get back to the TikTok, copy this username, go back to your Pinterest account, type in credit and just paste that TikTok over here. Also, we can copy this and use it for our title. Also, we have to add tags. So let's type in spring outfits and let's see what we get. We can add this one. We can add some more different ones. For example, this one. Now for the destination link, this is where you actually make money from your pins. In this tutorial, we are going to use Amazon.com because there are plenty of clothes and outfits you can choose from and promote them on your account. So just create your Amazon Associates account by following easy steps. In this case, I already have an account, so we can head over to Amazon.com and search for spring outfits. Basically, you can choose whatever you like, but for now I'm going to stick to this one. So click on this, and as you can see, we have a side stripe bar at the top, which is where we are going to get our affiliate link for this product. Just click on text and copy this link. Quick disclaimer here. The best implementation of Amazon Associates would be to create a storefront in which you can add a bunch of different outfits and clothes, so whoever clicks on your link gets to visit your store and choose not from just one outfit, but from a whole variety of things. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to use this one product. Let's get back to Pinterest and simply just paste our link over here. We can also create a board, specifically, let's say spring outfits. Just make sure it's public. Now all we have to do is to just click on publish. So that was my first pin on this account. As of now, here's how it looks. Anyone can do this. We can click on the link, redirecting them to Amazon store. There we can buy the items featured in the images, and you'll earn affiliate commissions every time someone buys those items using your affiliate link. This is it, guys. Don't forget that affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. As long as you keep posting consistently, I'm sure you can make some decent money out of this. If you found value in this video, leave a like and subscribe for more content in the future. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments down below. See you in the next one.